Is the Nvidia party distracting you from the real opportunity? Everyone is talking about Nvidia, but in this video, I'm going to show you the 3 companies that actually build the engine for the AI revolution. They have better valuations and, in my opinion, much more room to run. And I'll explain why the exact same logic makes Bitcoin one of the most logical investments you can make today. Nvidia doesn't actually build its own chips. It depends on a hidden network of giants. The company that manufactures its most advanced processors is trading at a much more attractive price. Stick around to find out who they are. Let's be clear, Nvidia is a phenomenal company. It has a near monopoly on the GPUs that power artificial intelligence, and its CUDA software platform creates a powerful moat. But its valuation is stratospheric. The market has priced in years of perfect execution. For investors looking for explosive growth from here, the risk is high and the immediate upside is limited. The smart money isn't just looking at the architect, it's looking at the builders. The real opportunity lies in the physical infrastructure, the companies that supply the essential components for the entire AI ecosystem. These are the companies with the pricing power, the ones that will benefit no matter which AI model wins. First up is Taiwan Semiconductor, or TSMC. Think of them as the master craftsmen of the digital age. They are the world's largest and most advanced chip foundry. Nvidia, Apple, AMD, they all depend on TSMC to manufacture their most advanced chips. Demand is so high that TSMC has immense pricing power. As the AI boom continues, TSMC is a direct beneficiary, raising its guidance and expanding its capacity. It's the safest way to bet on the growth of the entire semiconductor industry, not just one company. Next, we have Micron technology. AI models are incredibly hungry for memory. Not just any memory, but ultra-fast high-bandwidth memory, or HBM. This is the memory that allows GPUs to access data at lightning speed. Micron is a leader in this space with its HBM3E product. Demand is so strong that the company is sold out for 2024 and most of 2025. This has transformed Micron from a cyclical, boring company into a structural growth story with expanding margins. Data centers, AI-powered PCs, and smartphones all need more of what Micron sells. Finally, let's talk about Broadcom. You can have thousands of the most powerful GPUs, but if they can't communicate with each other instantly, they're just expensive paperweights. Broadcom builds the high-speed networking chips and hardware that connect everything inside an AI data center. Their AI-related revenue is exploding, and they just landed a strategic partnership to develop custom AI accelerators for OpenAI. When the creators of ChatGPT choose you to build their custom silicon, you know you're at the center of the action. If you're finding this breakdown of the AI supply chain useful, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. It's free, and you won't miss out on the analysis that looks beyond the headlines. Now, this idea of investing in the essential, foundational layer is exactly why we need to talk about Bitcoin. Many people think they've missed the boat. They see the price and think it's too late. That's completely wrong. In fact, you're fortunate to be discovering it now. Bitcoin's entire market cap is still a tiny fraction of global wealth. It's a drop in the ocean compared to assets like gold, bonds, or real estate. So why is it so important? Because our traditional financial system is showing cracks. Governments around the world are buried in debt. To manage it, they expand the money supply. This is a simple way of saying they print money, which devalues the currency in your pocket and your bank account. Your money buys less each year. This is the debasement trade. Investors are waking up and looking for a safe place to store their wealth, an escape route. They are moving into scarce assets like gold and Bitcoin. And it's not just individuals. The largest institutions are here. BlackRock, the world's biggest asset manager, launched a Bitcoin ETF that became one of the fastest-growing ETFs in history. Its CEO, Larry Fink, has said he sees crypto as a new asset class. The demand from these institutions is so strong that they are buying up more Bitcoin than is being created each day. This is a classic supply and demand squeeze. Even powerful figures outside of finance are taking notice. Donald Trump, through his stake in Trump Media, is now indirectly one of the largest public holders of Bitcoin. When major institutions and influential public figures start moving in, you are not too late. You are right on time. So, to recap, Instead of chasing Nvidia at its peak, consider the foundational companies that make its success possible. TSMC, the chip maker, Micron, the memory provider, and Broadcom, the networker. And as you protect your portfolio with smart tech bets, consider protecting your wealth with a foundational asset for the new financial world, Bitcoin. It's not just a speculation, it's a logical response to a broken system. Which of these investments are you most bullish on? The AI infrastructure plays or Bitcoin? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below and make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the next video.